Hi, this is the silver jewelry set. I bought it recently on my birthday in Opals.in. Let's unbox this and have a look. It has a beautiful pouch. Let's open it and have a look. I'm arranging it. Yeah. Coming to the details, this is the complete set with pendant, chain and 2 earrings. And this is made from silver and this is the opal stone. Before buying it, I checked about this stone in this website and other websites also. It has many beneficial effects and it is found only in few countries. I wore it on my birthday on kurta. It looked very nice and I tried it on other costumes also. It looked amazing. If you're planning for a unique and perfect gift, lovely gift, you can go for it. They have many collections in this website. You can check it. And along with this, I got a card inside the box. Let's have a look. It has a thank you note and certificate of authenticity. It has all the details about the jewelry. Overall, I'm thankful to the Opals for having this beautiful set. Thank you very much. Thank you.